Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
If your cat is coughing or has a hairball, monitor them closely. Offer a small amount of cat grass or a hairball remedy gel to help them pass the hairball. Ensure they are hydrated and consider regular grooming to reduce hair ingestion. If coughing persists or if there are additional symptoms like lethargy or loss of appetite, consult your veterinarian to rule out underlying medical issues.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.